Hi, welcome back to our channel HardReset.Info. In front of me I have POCO F8 Ultra. In this video I will show you how to set up face unlock on this device. So, you want to open settings, and now let's find section Fingerprints, Face Data and Screen Lock. Now let's select Face Unlock. Now you'll be prompted to enter your current screen lock method, whether it's pattern, PIN or any other password method that you can use. Now let's press start at the bottom side of the screen, and now you want to lift your phone and position your face in the circular frame that appears on your screen. And now you can see that I added my face successfully. Additionally, I can give my face a name. This is very useful for you if you use multiple faces to unlock your device. I will simply press OK button, and as you can see, here is my face data. So yeah, now whenever you want to unlock your phone, you'll have to you can use your face unlock to make it much more quickly. So that's it. I really hope that this video helps you. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.